Travel packing tip for content creators. So if you are a content creator, or if you are just traveling for business, or you're used to working from home, and maybe you're a remote worker and you have your home office set up and you don't want to have to sacrifice, I got y'all. Introducing a portable monitor. Y'all, this was such a game changer for me. Whenever I lived abroad back in 2019, I brought one of these with me because if you are used to working from two screens, you do not want to have to sacrifice. So this is a portable monitor, and as you can see, I already kind of have it set up on like its own little stand. It's like a stand that also converts into a cover to keep everything safe. And you just plug it in on the side, connect it to your laptop, and then it's just like you can carry your second screen with you. I absolutely love this for being able to have two screens while I'm working from anywhere. It even fits in my book bag easily. So I highly recommend this. If you want to know where you can find it, it is in my free packing list in my Stan store. So let me know if y'all have any questions.